Namaste dear yogis, and welcome to this 10-minute seated morning yoga stretch. Sit in the middle of your yoga mat with your knees up, plant your feet into the ground parallel with each other, hip width apart. Hands are right behind you with your fingertips pointing forward. Then take a deep breath in through your nose. As you breathe out, gently let your knees fall to your right, not too far. Then inhale, bring your knees back to center. Exhale, let your knees gently fall to your left. We'll do 6 more. Breathe in, knees back to center. Breathe out, knees to your right. Inhale, knees to center. Exhale, knees to your left. Keep everything else relaxed, like your face and your jaw. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. And exhale to your left. The last round. Inhale, knees back to center. Notice where you feel the stretch. Exhale, knees to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, knees to your left. Nicely done. Bring your knees back to center. And now give yourself a big hug. Hold on to your knees, hug your knees into your chest. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, round your spine, bring your nose in between your knees or wherever is comfortable for you. Take a deep breath and release. Now keep your knees up with your feet planted into the ground. Hold on to the backs of your thighs or knees. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your gaze. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest for a cat-cow pose exercise variation. As you breathe in, bring your chest forward, open your chest, and as you breathe out, bring your chest towards the back, rounding your spine. Keep going and follow your breath, so you're stretching your body and matching your breath. A really nice way to warm up your spine and notice wherever else you feel a stretch. And then come back to center. As you breathe in, lift your arms up, keep lengthening through your spine. As you breathe out, fold over your legs. You can walk your hands down your legs. Lower your head down last. Stay here, take a few deep breaths. Feel gentle stretch in your back, in your hamstrings. Take your final deep breath. Nicely done. And then slowly walk your hands up your legs. And take a seated cross-legged position. So crossing your legs at your shins. Lengthen your spine. And place your hands right behind your seat on your mat. You can rest on your fingertips, whatever is comfortable. For a chest opener, take a deep breath in, open your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other, slightly arch your spine and lift your gaze. Keep breathing. Beautiful, and then slowly release. Now for a shoulder stretch, cross your right arm over your left and hold on to your opposite shoulder blade, like so. So your elbows are stacked on top of each other. And take a deep breath in, lift your elbows up. Exhale, round your upper back and lower your elbows down. Bring your chin towards your chest. Take a few deep breaths. And notice how you're opening and gently stretching your shoulder blades, your upper back, the space in between your shoulder blades. Nice. Take your final deep breath. And then as you inhale, come back up and switch sides. Cross your left arm over your right, stacking your elbows. Hold on to your opposite shoulder blades. Take a deep breath in. Lengthen your spine. Lift your elbows up. Breathe out. Round your upper back. Chin to your chest. Take a few deep breaths. Feel the space that you're creating in your upper back, your shoulders. Keep everything else that you don't need relaxed. Your forehead, the muscles around your eyes. Take one last deep breath. Nice, and then slowly release. Come back up and release your arms. Now change the cross of your legs. Take a deep breath in. At the same time, circle your arms up, breathe out, rotate your chest to your right, left hand on your right knee, right hand right beside your right hip on the ground. Inhale to lengthen your spine up. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Gently look over your right shoulder. Keep breathing. We're going to add a side body stretch. So keep your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, reach your right arm up and over towards your left knee. And keep breathing. One final breath. And release. Then inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, turn your chest to your left. Right hand is on your left knee, left hand next to your left seat on the ground. Gently look over your left shoulder. And then we'll add a side body stretch in the twist. Inhale, reach your left arm up and over towards your right knee. Keep breathing. You can look up or down, whichever you prefer. And slowly release as you exhale. Then inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center. Exhale, place your hands on your knees. And change the cross of your legs again. For our next stretch, take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring your chin towards your chest. And gently do some half circles. Roll your right ear towards your right shoulder. And then slowly chin to your chest. Left ear towards your left shoulder. Keep going. Keep breathing. And keep stretching your neck. Take a pause wherever you feel a tight or tense spot. Breathe into it. Do what feels good for you. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. Slightly part your teeth and unclench your jaw. Then bring your chin back to center and back up. And then we're going to seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides. As you breathe in, circle your arms up. Gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Breathe out, unite your palms. Draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. At the same time, bringing all the beautiful energy into your whole being. Thank yourself for taking this time to do your yoga and your stretching. Taking time to breathe mindfully. Stretch your body. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you and your loved ones. And thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.